Making the transition from college to career isn't easy. I'm Rob Humphrey, and I visit campuses and share what tips I've learned to help students get hired.
I'm a rising senior here at Santa Clara, and I'll be the editor-in-chief of my student newspaper this year.
What's worrying you about this sort of entry into the real world?
With journalism, so much of it is who you know, and I'm just worried that maybe I won't have those contacts.
Are you familiar with the alumni tool?
I'm not.
You're gonna love it. When you go to your network tab or /alumni, you're gonna see a visual representation of every one of the 67,000 plus alumni of your school. And you're gonna be able to pare that down with filters to the people that have communications degrees and work in the field. That you can reach out to and say, hey, I'm the editor-in-chief of the newspaper of the school that you went to, and I would love to learn about how you got your job.
So if I post something, how can I make sure I reach the widest audience possible?
One is, of course, get it posted on LinkedIn, and automatically people that you're connected to and that are following you will see it. Number two is use hashtags. And lastly, I'd encourage you to send your article to the editorial team at LinkedIn using the hashtag that they have set up on the student publishing website. And that is a surefire way to sort of pitch your article to even a broader audience as well. Some takeaways. Make connections with the LinkedIn alumni tool. Get noticed by writing and posting online. Use hashtags. And submit articles to the student publishing website. I'd love to hear what you think. Share your thoughts and post your questions below.